Hello, meteorologist Christian Winn here at the North Texas Storm Watcher Network, and this is your severe weather briefing for the forecast through this weekend. Here's today's forecast, categorical outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. As you can see, the severe risk will extend from eastern Colorado through, it looks like Kansas and southern Nebraska, western Oklahoma, and the East Texas panhandles. Also, this is going to be the main threats, the large hail, and the tornado threat is actually going to be the highest threats today. With the tornado threat being hatched up there in Kansas, that's a very high area where they could see some numerous tornadoes this afternoon, and that would not be good for them. Wind threat, I'm not concerned about for today up there, but the hail and the tornado threat do appear to be the most dangerous threats, at least at this time. Now as we head into tomorrow, we're going to put on the cities here. This is going to impact tomorrow Oklahoma, Norman, Fort Sill, and Wichita Falls. In this area, we are expecting the threat for large hail, damaging winds, and the threat for some tornadoes. Although Saturday is going to be the main threat day for some very long track, dangerous tornadoes that could be very strong as well. Also, this area is going to be hatched for tomorrow. Whenever that's hatched, that ups the threat for severe weather. So definitely tomorrow is going to be another active severe weather day. And for Saturday, this is our main severe weather threat day. As you can see, the threat will extend all the way from Iowa, Illinois, Wisconsin, Missouri, Nebraska, Kansas, Texas, and Oklahoma, with the main threats areas where a moderate risk has been issued will be for extreme north central Texas and for Oklahoma and Kansas. Those are the highest threat areas for right now. Outside of that lies our slight risk area that includes areas from Denton, in our area from Denton to Tarrant counties and points to the north and west. The probabilistic shows a very high threat, or a 45% chance of a severe thunderstorm occurring within 25 miles of any point. This impacts most of Kansas and Oklahoma, especially in our Oklahoma viewing area counties just north of the Red River. Wichita Falls is also going to be impacted by this, as they are right on the verge of the moderate risk of severe weather. For the Dallas-Fort Worth area, Tarrant and Denton counties, points to the west and north, we are expecting a slight risk, or a 15% chance, of a severe thunderstorm occurring within 25 miles of any given point, such as your house. In the Dallas area, or I should say Fort Worth and Denton areas, and points to the west and north, we are expecting the threat for large hail. The damaging winds threat is really not that high right now. We're watching for the threat of large hail and the threat for tornadoes for right now. We'll keep you updated because this moderate risk could be extended either way, and the slight risk could be extended east or go back west. With the new outlook that's going to be coming out at 1 o'clock tomorrow morning. So we'll be watching for that, and we'll have updated information tomorrow. Now let's go to Sunday. Sunday does not look as potent as Saturday, but still Sunday could spell some trouble for anywhere from Iowa to Illinois, eastern Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and it looks like Dallas-Fort Worth. You're going to be right in the heart of Sunday. However, Sunday looks like the tornado threat is going to be minimized, and we'll be dealing with more of a damaging wind, large hail threat, because these storms are actually expected to form into a line out west and move in. Whenever they form into a line, they tend to bring no tornadoes, although brief spin-ups are very possible, but not strong tornadoes usually do not happen along a linear storm mode or a line. The damaging winds threat is the highest threat along a line of severe weather, severe thunderstorms, and the hail threat is the second highest. The tornado threat is very low with the line of severe weather, so we are not expecting that high of a severe weather risk for tornadoes, at least for now, in Dallas and Fort Worth or in any of this Day 4 area, which is Sunday. So stay tuned with us here at the North Texas Storm Watcher Network. We'll keep you updated, and this could spell out we're going to be really busy late this week and this weekend. We'll be constantly updating our pages, and have a great evening and stay safe. Please have your severe weather safety plans in effect if you live in Oklahoma or any of these areas impacted, but especially Oklahoma and Kansas. as you guys are going to be experiencing the main big fireworks shows where you guys could see some strong tornadoes over EF2 strength. So we'll continue to fine tune the forecast. We'll keep you updated. I'm meteorologist Christian Winn. Thank you.